Las Vegas, the city of lights. Imagine Las Vegas being all LEDs. The process began several years ago and is rapidly gaining momentum.
This is an incandescent lamp. This is an LED, the way of the future. CNC Lightshapes, in alliance with Kiesub Electronics, has been manufacturing LED technologies since the early 2000s. We keep abreast of all the latest breakthroughs in technology to make sure we serve you with the greatest product we can. Let's take a look inside at the new Aristocrat Rolling Stones machine.
Rolling Stones, you can see behind me, an incredible product from Aristocrat. Really, Rolling Stones is a classic band, been out for decades and decades, and really resonates with that core slot demographic of a 55 to 65-year-old player. You know, lots of resonance, a lot of nostalgia. Everyone knows these songs, they love these songs. We've integrated a lot of these iconic songs into the game itself. But another key thing that we've done with this type of product is we need to create a sense of attraction. We've done that through the top box here, through two things. We've put Mick Jagger's iconic tongue, it's a symbol at the top of this game, which players kind of know and love and will gravitate towards. But also, we've done a lot of work with the LED lighting around this top box. That's really to create a presence on gaming floors, because really, players decide which game they're going to play from about 100 feet.
The Rolling Stones machine you just saw incorporates the latest in intelligent dream color technology developed for the gaming industry by CNC Lightshapes. While improving lifespan with LEDs, we're also able to change the paradigm of lighting itself. Effects, moods, perceptions that could never have been accomplished with light bulbs are now becoming commonplace. Rendering colors to improve decor, add increased intensity, color, and dynamic controls. To accomplish these goals, the physical light bulb is transformed into new fixtures like light panels, strips, and to address the specific targets for lighting. Then we had customers that came to us and said, hey, can't you build some kind of a panel? We've heard about these people that make panels with LEDs in them. And then over the years, it just dominoed into all kinds of other electronics, optoelectronics, and here we are today manufacturing LED light panels for the industry. Every design is first created in our CAD programs to customer specifications. The CNC laser precisely controls the optics with our uniquely developed process, creating a prism effect with LEDs, then fed to the laser or CNC for the final product.
I operate the laser and CNC router, as well as doing some CAD for most of the projects.
Precise cutting of optics in acrylic, coupled with computerized routing, brings it all together.
I came from the wire and cable industry, and a couple years ago I got introduced to Kiesub Electronics and CNC Lightshapes. And I've got to tell you, it's a really fascinating industry. LED lighting is the future, and so I get to take products to the casinos, to restaurants and bars, rather it be an LED strip or an LED panel, an LED light bulb, and I get to show this to the customer. But in addition to that, what makes this so fascinating for me is that sometimes a customer will have a bizarre request, or he or she wants to see if we can actually do it. So then I get to bring back those ideas to CNC Lightshapes, and we start a creative process to see if we can meet these customers' needs, and that makes it absolutely fascinating for me.
We manufacture high-tech LED lighting for signage, illumination, and display application. From Thomas Edison to LED lighting, the evolution of lighting has changed the way we live, and exciting LED innovations for industry.